Grahak Sathi, 20th April 2024, Volume 4, Number 41. E-commerce platforms ask to stop using the label health drink. E-commerce platforms should stop calling malt-based drinks as health drinks. It is very easy and convenient to consume a quick health drink or an energy drink instead of managing to prepare and eat nutritious foods for your health and energy needs. Children are regularly given malt-based drinks, Bonvita and other similar beverages, as these have long been marketed and promoted for their so-called health benefits. The perceived benefits are so deeply entrenched that parents do not even look at the high sugar content in such products, which can be detrimental to children's health. Similarly, the increasing consumption of energy drinks, especially among young people, is worrisome due to potential health impact associated with their excessive intake. The misleading health or energy claims are further reinforced when sellers such as e-commerce platforms also classify such products incorrectly. Therefore, to enhance clarity and transparency regarding the nature and functional properties of such products, the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India (FSSAI) has directed all e-commerce companies to stop labeling dairy-based, cereal-based or malt-based beverages as health drink or energy drink. This corrective action aims to ensure that consumers can make well-informed choices without encountering misleading information. FSSAI has clarified that the term health drink is not defined in the food law, Food Safety and Standards Act 2006 and related rules regulations. Also under the laws, the term energy drink is permitted to be only used specifically for water-based flavored drinks, both carbonated and non-carbonated. FSSAI has asked all e-commerce platforms to ensure that food products sold by them are placed in the appropriate category as provided by law. Use of incorrect terms and incorrect classification of products can mislead consumers. In this issue, we bring you information about the sugar content in some of your favorite summer foods and beverages based on laboratory tests. This will enable you to make informed and healthful choices. RDA for sugar. As per the Manual of Dietary Guidelines for Indians 2011 by National Institute of Nutrition (NIN) Hyderabad, the recommended dietary allowance RDA per day for sugar for a balanced diet for adults with sedentary to moderate activities 20 gram to 30 gram. Beware of the high sugar in your summer food and beverages. You want to drink or eat something cold all the time in summer, be it the large variety of bottled fizzy and cold soft drinks, fruit juices, sharbat or cold drinks made from instant drink concentrates, etc. Also, summers are the season for the mangoes and amras is a food of choice for one and all. Over a period, CERC has tested many such food and beverages for their sugar, salt and fat content to find out if their consumption is healthy for you. We give below test findings about the sugar content of some of these products that may be on your buy list this summer. Find out if consuming this is healthful or not for you and your family. Amras. We had tasted 6 samples of amras for their sugar content, 3 samples for branded amras and 3 samples of loose amras. Sugar content was found to be high in all 6 amras samples. The sugar content in all tested samples range from in 100 gram 11.60 gram or 18.38 gram Two branded Amras sample had the highest sugar at in 100 gram 17.75 gram or 18.38 gram. This amount are close to the daily RDA for sugar for sedentary lifestyles 20 gram. Hence, consumption of such high sugar amras can have adverse health effect and should be avoided. It was observed that sugar content was higher in the branded amras sample than in the loose samples. Only one branded sample mentioned ingredients and nutrition information on its label. There is no way of knowing what the loose sample contains since they are not labeled. Recommendation: it is advisable to make amras at home to ensure that you are consuming safe and hygienically prepared amras. You can also avoid adding extra sugar. It is also advisable to avoid buying food product without essential label information like ingredients, best before date and nutritional information, as you cannot make an informed choice. Packaged fruit juices. We had tasted 5 brands of packaged mixed fruit juice and 5 brands of packaged orange juice, as these are popular varieties among ready to serve fruit juices and beverages. Although commonly believed that fruit juices are healthy, it was found that packaged juices were high in sugar, making them not a healthy food choice. Mixed fruit juice. Sugar content in all brands of packaged mixed fruit juice tasted range from in 100 ml 10.51 gram to 22.86 gram. Hence, all of these had sugar more than in 100 ml 10 gram. Considering NIN recommended daily RD of sugar of 20 gram for sedentary lifestyles, anyone consuming 1 glass 200 ml of such mixed fruit juices will consume more than their daily RDA of sugar from it. Any additional consumption of sugar will increase their sugar intake very much, which can be unhealthy. Orange juice. As per taste, sugar in all 5 brands range between in 100 ml 8.02 gram to 12.13 gram. 2 brands had sugar more than in 100 ml 10 gram. Thus, anyone consuming 1 glass 200 ml of such pack orange juice will consume most of their daily RDA of sugar from it. Instant drink concentrate sharbat syrups. We examine the variety of instant drink concentrates, mixes, sharbat syrup and squashes etc. for what they contain. A study of nutrition table and ingredients list as per label was done to find out how much sugar they contain. We selected 12 different brands of instant drink concentrates, sharbat, syrup, etc. The product tested included instant drink concentrate mix, sharbat fruit crush, nannari syrup, thandai syrup and squashes. All 12 brands of different drink concentrates were very high in sugar content and contained sugar more than in 100 gram 22.5 gram or 100 ml. Therefore, all these products are high sugar product as per FSSAI guidelines for high sugar food product. A Ruabza Sharbat had the highest sugar content of in 100 ml 103.5 gram as per label nutritional table. As instant drink mix was also very high in sugar with in 100 gram 92.9 gram sugar. Lowest sugar was found in a fruit crush brand in 100 gram 37.21 gram. A nannari syrup brand had in 100 ml 58 gram sugar, whereas one orange squash had in 100 ml 52 gram sugar. The other 7 products studied had sugar ranging from in 100 ml 68 gram to 83.4 gram. Advice to consumers: the sugar content in cold drink concentrates is a matter of concern. As a consumer, you should always look out for the total sugar content on the label. It is advised that you should always check the nutrition information on any packaged food product to know if it is a high fat, sugar or salt food. Avoid buying packs which do not have this information. Editorial team. Chairman CERC and Torch, Praful Amin. Chairman CERS, Walter Vieira. CEO and Executive Editors, Uday Mawani. Associate Editors, Anusha Iyer, Rashmi Goel. Editorial Assistant, Meena Bathwi. Address, Consumer Education and Research Center, 802, Grahak Suvidha Kendra, Sakar 2, next to Ellis Bridge Police Station, Ashram Road, Ahmedabad 380006, phone number 0793533 7262. Email address complaints@cercindia.org. Helpline number 1800 2330222. ध्वनि मुद्रण शांता मेहता डिजिटल टॉकिंग बुक लाइब्रेरी, अंजन मंडल, वस्त्रापुर, अहमदाबाद 380015. वॉइस ओवर बाय आनल दवे.